Okay, so I've just been through and shown people how to set up a Facebook live stream from Zoom, from Zoom into a Facebook Live session. And this is like, what if it's not quite set up right, or you're missing some options. So the first thing to look for is in Zoom, you're looking for this more button down here, and you're looking for this live on Facebook option to you. If that's not there, you probably haven't got a Zoom Pro account, but if you have got a Zoom Pro account, you probably haven't set up the settings for it correctly. So I'm going to show you how to do that first. So you go over to Zoom, you click on My Account in the top right-hand corner. Obviously, you've logged in here at this point, and then that will load up your account. And then on the left-hand side here, you want to go down to Settings. It always takes an annoying long time to load this up for some reason. Don't know why. And then it'll appear with this little menu on the left-hand side here. You want to go down to Email Notification. And the reason for that is just because it's easier to find the right section you want. And you want to scroll up the screen, so up from email notification. You can go to In Meeting Advanced and then scroll down. But what you're looking for is this Show Always from Browser option. And then underneath that, you'll find Allow Live Streaming of Meetings. If that's not there, then you haven't got a Pro account. If you have got a Pro account, you need to make sure you've got this turned on. So it'll need to turn that on like that. And then you need to make sure you select anything you want to share into there. So there's Facebook. You just turn that on like that and then save it. That's what you want to do. If you haven't got the Pro account, click your little image in the top right-hand corner over here, select Plans and Billing, and it will show you what plan you actually currently have. So this will show you your current plans. And as you will see when it finally loads up, I have a Zoom One Pro account. That's what I'm paying for at the moment. If you haven't got that, then you need to go down here and choose Zoom One Pro from down here and upgrade to it. It's like £15 a month or 107. Oh, it's euros we were looking at earlier. £15 a month or £150 a year or whatever. So, yep, and that's all very good. Now, okay, so that's up and running. So that gives you inside Zoom this button here to go live on Facebook. But in order to actually go live on Facebook, you have to enable the app inside your group. So here's my group. And on the left-hand side here, sometimes you'll find these admin tools are expanded. So close the admin tools on the left-hand side here. Go into Settings and then select Group Settings like that. And then scroll right to the bottom of all of this. And you'll find here Apps. And then you want to click the pen to edit that. And you can see I've already got Zoom enabled. So I'm going to remove that. Then I'm going to click. And I'm only going to do that temporarily. So normally you wouldn't have to do that if it's already enabled. But if it's not enabled, which is what it's showing here, you then add apps. And it comes onto this screen. And then on the left-hand side, you've got a search bar. And you can type in Zoom into there. And then you can see Zoom appears on the screen right here. You click that. And then you add that like that. And that will add Zoom. And then you scroll right to the bottom again just to double check. You've now got two apps in there. And if you go to edit, you'll see that Zoom now appears into there. So that's all good. Now that's up and running. You can now go into Zoom, do this live on Facebook, and then it goes into live like you would expect it to. And you can put your details into the screen that comes up like this. Choose your group, then search for it if you've got more than one group. Oops. Come on. There you go. Find. And mine is Find Your Fire Community. Boom. And then as soon as you press live, you are then live in the group. So everything you say from that point onwards will be broadcast live into the group, even though it looks like it's going to take a while to set it all up. And also, the description here is what's actually shown in Facebook. This top line actually isn't shown in Facebook at all. So, but always put something in there anyway. And I usually like to put the Zoom link in here. So I would go back to Zoom, go to participants, copy that invite link, and then say join us in Zoom, and then put that link in there so that people can come and join us directly on Zoom if they want to, or if it's part of your program and the way you've set your system up and your groups up. So that is how to go live in Facebook from Zoom with the current settings as of August 2023. Take care, guys. Bye for now.